Okay, transitions class, we are working on problems 1 through 3 tonight for homework. For number 1, this is just a review. You're just going to first flip the second because we are dividing. So we'll have 3x squared plus 2x minus 8, all that stuff, just like that. Now we need to factor each of these. So when you're done factoring, it should look something like this. And now we just need to cross out whatever is on both the top and bottom. So we have 3x minus 4, we have x plus 2, we have x minus 2, and we're left with 5x minus 4 over x plus 3. For the second problem, we do not need to flip because we are multiplying. So we just need to factor. And again, after you're done factoring, it should look something like this. And now you just need to cancel out whatever, again, is on the top or bottom. If you're having any trouble at all with this, again, just reach out and let me know, and we can work on solving these problems together. So after you're done crossing everything out, you have 3x minus 5 over 2x minus 3. And that is your answer. For the last one, looks similar to what we're going to be working on going forward. So we have 4 different base values that each have exponents. So first, we are going to bring down anything that has the negative exponent. So we'll keep the 2 squared times 8 to the 3x plus 1 in the numerator. We're going to drop anything down that had the negative, so we have 4, and when we drop that negative 2, it becomes a positive 2. Same thing for the second one, we have 1 to the 4, or 1/4. That negative 1, when we drop it, becomes a positive 1. This only happens for exponents, so don't try and lose negatives by changing from numerator to denominator for anything else. Then we have that 2 squared, or actually we'll start with this, so the 1/4. So when we'll keep this the same, 2 squared, 8 to the 3x plus 1 over 4 squared, that 1/4. Okay, so we're back. Just remember that anytime you're dividing by that fraction of the 1/4, that means you're going to multiply by the reciprocal. So you'll add that 1/4 up top, or the 4 up top. When you simplify this, we have 2 squared, which is 4, times the 4 is 16, times the 8 to the 3x plus 1, over the 4 squared is going to be 16. Just like the last time, when you have something on the top and bottom that is the same and you're just multiplying, just get rid of them. And you'll be left with 8 to the 3x plus 1. And that is tonight's homework, so if you have any questions, please reach out and I can help out with those. Otherwise, have a good night.